culinary arts program, certified by the American Culinary Federation, instructs students in high-volume food production, pastry and baking, menu planning, restaurant practices, sanitation, and purchasing in professional kitchens. Students serve lunch in the Cafe and Grill at the Career and Technology Center and cater outside events in their pursuit of learning all things culinary. There are 2 options available to students, either professional cook or baking and pastry. Today we are highlighting Sarah Ruiz, a member of the Baking and Pastry program. Sarah states that her favorite part of the program is the community that Mrs. Coach has built as a class. She says the hands-on experience in the program is great, but it is the camaraderie and friendships that are made that make it special. Sarah's instructor, Mrs. Coach, says, Sarah is an inspiring student in class. She is always optimistic, determined, and self-motivated. As we enter new units, with that comes new techniques, and Sarah always goes into it with the best attitude and determination. She is a natural leader and a friend to her classmates. Sarah is a senior from Winters Mill High School, where she is manager for the girls' wrestling team. When Sarah is not in school or working at Five Guys in Westminster, she loves doing hair and nails on the side, building mini 3D sets, spending time with friends and family, and taking care of her very chunky pet hamster, Shadow. After graduation, she plans on pursuing a degree in political science and pre-law at Georgetown University.